Hi, Todd Bourne here in the Forecast Center with a look at any weather worries that we may see here across our area during the next week and a half. And again, today's worries are over. We could still see some rain tonight, but up next will be the disturbance you can see by Sunday moving into the southwestern sections of the country. This system is going to slowly inch its way towards the east, and we will see an extended period of a couple of days where showers and maybe a few thunderstorms will be possible. Kind of doubtful the way it looks right now that we'll see much of a severe weather threat, but the rain could be somewhat heavy, as you'll see here in a second. Then that upper level system will camp out to our northeast, should be far enough away from us to salvage a decent weekend next weekend. As far as the level of worry, really not too concerned about any severe weather, 3 out of 10. But if you can factor in the possibility of the heavy rain and possible impacts in the longer range on area lakes and rivers, I would put it at a 4. Let's take a look at the rainfall potential here, and you can see that we are going to be looking at anywhere from 2, 3.5 to 4 inches of rain across the northern parts of the ArkLaTex, and 3.5 to 5.5 inches of rain over East Texas and Northwest Louisiana. Looking at all the other various models that make up the blend of models, and you can see that there is decent agreement that we could see some heavy rain. Notice both Shreveport and Texarkana, a couple of the models showing more than 4 inches will be a possibility. Now, the heaviest rain will be falling on Tuesday, and just as I mentioned the lakes and rivers, notice the Red River is rising, and by the time we get to Tuesday, it'll be up close to 26 feet. Flood stage is 30 feet, so the rivers, including the Red and area lakes, definitely something to keep an eye on as we go through the middle and perhaps even the end of May. 10-day forecast shows that great weekend this weekend with highs in the 70s. And notice the rain chances. It is likely we'll see some rain with some thunder with likely no severe weather on Tuesday. We should dry out towards the end of the period with highs staying relatively close to normal in the 70s and low 80s. Could warm up a bit late in the 10-day period. Overnight lows for the most part will stay in the 50s and 60s.